Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension for your Astro projects. Astro, as you all know, it's a very popular static file generator for. So this is the extension Astro file generator. Simply search on VS Code and simply install this extension. As soon as you install this, you will have this option to creating Astro files automatically. So right in the folder itself, if you go to the command palette and simply type here Astro, and you will see quite a number of options will come right here. Astro file generator, you can generate a basic component or a basic page or a layout styled component. Let me select generate a basic page, and here you need to give it a folder name. So whatever is your folder name, just give. Mine is sample 1997, and just create a component name. So now you will see it will create a basic Astro component in the folder user.astro, and you can see it automatically generated this file for you. So you don't need to manually create the file. You can use this extension, and similarly it will add this option right itself. If you right click Astro file generator, so if you're working with Astro framework, you can generate a basic component, just give it a name, user component, and now you will see your component will be automatically generated for you. And same thing again, Astro file generator. If you want to generate a static page, you can even create a static page as well. You can see automatically the boilerplate code has been generated. So all the files are there. If you want to create a styled component, you can see that. So definitely try this extension, guys, which supports creating your Astro files automatically for you inside VS Code.